Welcome to Life Lapse 101, where I teach you everything you need to know about creating professional looking stop motion videos on a budget using your phone in our app, Life Lapse, which you can download for free on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. We're going to cover everything from lighting, DIY home studio, tripod hacks, animation styles, editing techniques, and so much more. All right, let's dive in. Next, we're going to talk about hard versus soft light. So what the heck is the difference between these two? So hard light, think of hard light as something similar like the sun in the middle of summer in a hot afternoon day. It's like beating down, there's really harsh shadows, it's super strong. Versus soft light would be something similar to overcast skies. So there's no harsh shadows on the face, it's all soft. That's the difference between hard and soft light. So what does that mean when we are using not the daylight? So if you're using household lamps, when you're pointing them directly at the scene, that would be really a hard light. Unless you're using like a lamp with a cover or a shade over it that will diffuse it. Versus the example that I used with ambient lighting, that's just more diffused. It's not pointing directly on it, so you're not gonna get as many shadows. Now, shadows aren't necessarily a bad thing. I love, this is a light here, it's got a softbox on it, but when you remove the softbox, it turns into a hard light, and it does kind of replicate that summer hot sun feel, and there's harsh shadows. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube and social media so you can be the first to know when we release new tutorials.